Guys, so here what? I'm finally here. So I'm at the waterfall. It's actually open right now. So today is actually Sunday. I came in to show you guys how it is. So don't forget, like, comment and subscribe. And let's get into the video. So once again guys, we're at Annandale waterfall, and remember, there is a restaurant and there is a bar. You know, to be honest, right, me and Jomil, right, we've always been saying that why not put a restaurant right to Annandale waterfall? Because listen, when the tourists come to Grenada, the first place to come is the Annandale waterfall. They always come here, and this right here is tourist attraction. It's everything, Grenadian attraction, everything. So that's a new popping spot, right? It's Annandale waterfall with a nice view, nice chill spot, everything. You can't go wrong with it here. They got a nice food menu, they got drinks, they got cocktails, they got everything. So just remember, Annandale waterfall, don't miss it out. And the opening hours, I think, is from 4. If I'm not wrong, I think it's from 4 until, I'm not sure, but you can come check it out and enjoy it. So far, I don't even want to leave us yet. I don't even want to leave us yet, yo. It's so good. Look at the view, man. For more videos, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. We out here. We out here. I'm good. No, not yet. I get makasim. Yeah. So I have a question. It's okay if I do recording and stuff?
As in what? For your Instagram?
No, I do YouTube.
YouTube?
Yeah.
If you do that, you're gonna have to tag us.
If not, just tell me and I wouldn't post it.
Huh?
I say if not, just tell me and I wouldn't post it.
No, just so people come visit us, tell them what we've been doing. It's
Well,
fine.
normally it's just like vlogs.
No,
Like,
so then tell them
so like
this
my,
is a new update of Annandale waterfall. You guys come and visit them,
Yeah.
whatever.
well, that's our plan to do here.
Right.
Yeah.
And then on Instagram, tag us.
Tag it.
Yes, at Annandale waterfall.
Annandale?
Yeah.
Okay. my goodness. There's the back foot. The water is pretty heavy today. A lot of rain fell. So I'm about to go upstairs. I'll go upstairs and show you guys the view from upstairs. So we're upstairs right now. That's the view from upstairs. See? Really cool. Nice chill spot. Yep. Nice chill spot. View is perfect. The view is perfect. Yep. View is perfect.